Prepared 1000 RMB to see if I can guarantee 1 SP. These are the temporary draws from the previous event's quests. Start drawing. Pieces that have drawn the grand prize this round get to claim it first. Okay, still no SPs. I'll just buy the next 4,600 diamonds here. Finally out comes the second prize. Claim your rewards first and see if you have any shards. Continue to draw the third grand prize. The grand prize has been drawn again. What is it then? Well, I luckily got the skin. No more guarantee. Here we calculate that it costs more than 8,000 diamonds to get 1 SP. But if you are unlucky, you need to keep drawing. Suddenly I want this cutie robot. Spend 1,000 more diamonds to get the robot. A total of 9,000 plus diamonds to take the SP, robot, and other rewards. If you are unlucky, you may need to spend more. So if you want to take only 1 SP, think twice before you do it. If you want 3 SP, you may need more than 2,000 to 3,000 RMB.